I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the temporary private chat feature in the ChatGPT mobile app. Open the ChatGPT mobile app and then tap the temporary chat icon at the top of this screen. The temporary chat icon looks like a chat bubble with broken lines around it. The temporary chat screen opens where you'll see a note that any chats you enter here won't appear in your chat history, use or update ChatGPT's memory, or be used to train OpenAI models. You can verify that you're in a temporary private chat by checking for the text temporary chat beneath your ChatGPT version at the top of the screen and in the message entry field. You can exit your temporary private ChatGPT chat at any time by tapping the new chat icon at the top of this screen. Your temporary private chat will close and a new normal chat will be opened. Any content entered here will be stored like normal in your primary list of chats and accessible in the future. You can confirm you're no longer in a private ChatGPT chat by making sure you don't see the text temporary chat under either your ChatGPT version or in the message entry field. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.